In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to assign project in Hubstaff. To get started, make sure you're already logged into your Hubstaff workspace and that you're in the correct organization. Assigning a project to a team member is a simple task, but it's important because it helps make sure the right person has access to the right work and can track time accurately under the correct project. Begin by going to the People section in Hubstaff. You'll usually find this in the main navigation menu. This area is where you manage the users in your organization, including their roles, access, and project assignments. Once you open People, you'll be able to see the list of individuals connected to the workspace. From there, click on Members. This will take you to the Members list, where you can review the people currently added to your organization. If you have a large team, take a moment to locate the specific member you want to update before making any changes. This helps avoid editing the wrong profile. Next, look for the project area on that member's row and click the pencil icon. The pencil icon is the edit option, and this is what allows you to modify the projects assigned to that person. When you click it, Hubstaff will open the project assignment settings for that member. Now select which project you want to assign. Depending on your workspace setup, you may see one project or several available options. Choose the appropriate project carefully so the member is linked to the correct work. This is especially useful if your team tracks time by client, department, or task category. Selecting the right project keeps reporting clean and makes time tracking more organized. After that, simply follow the on-screen prompts. Hubstaff may guide you through confirming the selection, saving the change, or adjusting related access settings. Read each prompt carefully and complete the process until the assignment is fully saved. If you leave before confirming, your changes may not be applied. Once you're done, it's a good idea to quickly review the member's project list to make sure the new assignment appears correctly. That final check can save time later and helps confirm the person is ready to start tracking time to the project right away. And that's all it takes to assign a project in Hubstaff. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.